Where did I stop last time? Aha! Found— Whoa! What was that? Sammy, are you all right? Did you drop something?
No, I didn't. Everything is okay.
Well, okay, if you say so. Oh, you've got to be kidding me! Sam, what are you doing?
I'm playing basketball. It helps to develop agility, speed, coordination, and accuracy.
But you can't play basketball at home. Come here, we'll play another game.
Make sure it's also something super cool and energetic.
Well, to my mind, Tic-Tac-Toe is a very exciting and energetic game.
Why, Tic-Tac-Toe? Ugh. It can't make me become more accurate and faster. It almost always finishes with a draw. Basketball is a totally different story. Yeah, I love it. Mwah.
Oh, wait, not this noise. I guess I have an idea, something we both can agree on. Hello, guys. Today we're going to make a cool table basketball.
Sue, what about the table basketball we made together? Why do we need another one?
This will be different. We'll combine it with the Tic-Tac-Toe game.
Wow, this sounds intriguing. Continue, Susie.
For starters, we need a game board. We'll use a cardboard piece like this.
Sue, but you don't like basketball. It's loud and all that.
That's why we're going to combine it with Tic-Tac-Toe. You'll understand soon.
So we won't need this ball for sure now.
Sam, I'm so glad I won't hear that terrible noise anymore. Our game board will stand on this thing.
Sue, don't you think this basketball field is too little for you?
Soon you'll see that it isn't. It's important to color our playground.
Wow, it'll be colorful. I like it too.
Sammy, I wouldn't even suggest making something not colorful to you.
You know me so well.
Look, the green part of our board is ready. Now we need to paint the lower part with two colors, red and blue.
Sue, I don't mind the variety of colors, but why?
All in good time, Sam. Now it's time for the marking. Carefully sticking the duct tape on the field. This way. Our playground is ready.
Steals the ball. Passing one, another, score!
Talking about the score, let's make something you can't play basketball without, a basket. In every one of the 9 parts of the square, we're making a little circle. Circles should be identical and set the same distance from each other. By the way, guys, do any of you play basketball? Don't be shy. Write in the comments.
Yes, and also write that you're allowed to play basketball at home, guys.
Sam, come on. No one plays basketball at home.
We'll see when they comment. Sue, what is it? An egg package?
No, Sammy. See these 2 pieces? We're going to stick them onto the sides to make
A basketball backboard!
That's right, Sammy. Now we need to connect all the pieces. I'm using a glue gun for this. It's very convenient. This way. Carefully. It has to be straight. Look, it came out nice. The ball fits perfectly in this hole and doesn't fall through it.
But Sue, why do we have 9 hoops instead of 1?
Look, Sammy. You see, 3 balls can build a line. The one who makes a line of 3 balls first wins.
Wow, right! Just like in Tic-Tac-Toe! Thank you, Sue. This kind of basketball I like. Accept this little gift of gratitude.
Oh, Twix? Huh, what is this?
Surprise! My 2 most favorite things in one, Lego and chocolate.
Oh, Sammy, that's so nice. I can't help sharing with you.
Yummy, yummy!
Sammy's a sweet tooth. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like the Lego Twix from Sam. Okay, the break is over. Now we take several cardboard pieces of this kind and stick all of them together. This way, just placing one piece on another. Add glue layer by layer. Don't be afraid to get a bit messy. Now we need to put our basketball hoops on a stand, which we just made. This will give the hoops the height we need for the game. Next step is to attach it to our basement, with glue as well. This way. Be careful. Do not rush. Okay, done! What do you think of this playground, Sammy?
I like it very much. Let's play a match!
Slow down, Sammy. We also need to make a tool which will help us throw balls into the basket.
What? Can't we throw the balls with our hands?
We can, but we don't cut corners. We're going to make something way more unusual. We need popsicle sticks. I think you've noticed that our sticks are not simple. They're colored. Soon you'll see what for. Now we're going to attach a crossbar here on the stick.
What is it? A swing? Sue, you're a genius! We can swing and throw balls into the basket at the same time!
No, Sam! This isn't a swing. It just looks like a swing. Here, we also need this piece, in which you've got to make a hole this way. We should also attach one more colored stick to it. Apply the glue carefully to avoid the opening. There. Then we need a piece on which our, swing will be set up.
I actually don't even know what's more fun, to play basketball or to swing. Guys, what do you like more? Write in the comments!
I told you it's not a swing. This is way cooler than a swing.
Wait a minute, that's the basketball swing?
No, Sam, there's no such thing.
Susie, you're making me confused on purpose, right? I'm telling you, that's a swing!
No, Sam. Look attentively. Should there be a bottle cap on a swing?
Sue, I guess it's a seat?
No, Sam. You'll see now that it's a catapult.
Ah, I see now why I didn't recognize it before. The catapult for our table football was totally different.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you watched the video about the table football.
Sue, let's load our catapult.
Of course. Fire! Bullseye!
Awesome! That's a very cool catapult. Susie, but there's just one catapult, while two people should play tic-tac-toe.
Everyone will have a catapult of their own.
Wow, it's the same, only red.
All that's left is to set our catapults on the board. We need a piece of glue stick to make it.
So that's why the board is painted two different colors.
Exactly. Each of us will play on their half of the field. Which color do you choose, Sam?
Not to blend with the playground. I'll take the blue side.
Great choice, Sammy. Then I'll take the red one. All right, let's stick the name of our game here. And here on the basket. Ready! What do you think, Sammy?
Awesome! The best basketball field I've ever seen! You only forgot to put the names of the players.
Oh, right. Thank you, Sammy. Player 1 goes here.
Don't worry, Susie. I'm always there to spot for you, especially in decorating issues.
Yeah, I can surely rely on you for that. Let's lay the balls out so we can start our game. It's ready, Sammy.
Have you ever seen a basketball tic-tac-toe board game? Give a thumbs up if you want to play it too. Well, the time for the big game has come. Are you ready? Let's start!
Fire! Yeah, got it!
Now it's my turn. Woohoo! 1-1.
It's not the score that matters, but making a line of balls.
Ah!
Yeah!
Yes!
Great job. Oh!
Oh!
Yes! you're our champion. Well done.
And you're a strong competitor. And you've made such a great board game. Guys, subscribe to our channel right now not to miss new crafts. And give a thumbs up.
Bye-bye, guys. And you, Sam, are going to have a rematch. Yippee!
Challenge accepted, Sue. Don't celebrate just yet.